Okay. Is it recording? Did you get the recording notification?
Yes, yes, yes.
Mhodaya.
Okay. Okay, then. All right. So this class we are learning about vibhaktis. Vibhaktis we already know about it, but we'll just learn a little bit more. So vibhakti kimartham. Why vibhakti? Because it's to indicate a word, thing, or place. Like balakaha, balika, phalam, lekhani, bengaluru. That these are all the name, word, thing, or place. To indicate these vastu, the things. All right. So next we have second one is kriyaya saha sambandha, the relationship to the verb. All right. So like Ramam pashyami, Ramaya dadami, Ramat svikaromi. So what happens? The kriya has a connection to the all of these ones. The karta, the karma, karanam, sampradanam, apadanam, and adhikaranam. All right. So whenever we say pashyami or pashyati or something, we have to relate to what it is. Who is seeing? What is he seeing? All those things, right? So we have that connection. So as you all know, karta is subject of action, right? So Ramam Pashyami. Who is seeing here Ramam Pashyami? Who is the karta?
Aham.
Aham. Aham Pashyami. So karta is aham here in this case. And then karma. Karma is the object of action. Who are you seeing? Who are you giving? Right? So here
स्क्रीन बड़ा कर सकते हैं क्या?
It's small, is it? Wait. Are you seeing the screen first of all? Wait, I'll stop sharing.
महोदय, अधुना न दृश्यते.
Okay, one second. I might do a slideshow. Yeah, then I can show. Okay, can you see now the slideshow? Yeah?
परन्तु महोदय.
Can you see? Okay. All right. So here, karta is the subject of action. Then the karma, we all know about this, right? And then we have the karanam. Karanam is the instrument, what instrument we have. Hastena, dandena, dandena tadayati means that's the instrument, whatever we have, instrument. So kriya is connected to the instrument as well, right? Right. So next one will be sampradanam. Sampradanam is the recipient. Ramaya, or whoever is the recipient. And then we have apadanam. Apadanam is the giver. Giver or the point of separation, like the vrikshat phalam patati. So kriyapada patati is a kriya. So vrikshat, that is from where, right? And then we have the location, that is the Saptami Vibhakti. So we have Pratama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, and then we have Saptami Vibhakti. Saptami Vibhakti is the location where we are somewhere in some Nagare Vasati, right? So we have this Kriya connected to the location as well. Here, if you notice, there's no Shashti Vibhakti, right? And we went through it. Why there's no? These are all called karakas, and Shashti Vibhakti is not a karaka. Why is it so? Do you remember?
It is not related with verb.
It is not connected to verb. These are all connected to verb, right? So these are all called karakas. But because Shashti Vibhakti is not connected to verb, because it's like, it's the relationship between two objects, two things. So we don't have relationship. So it's not a karaka. So we don't have Shashti Vibhakti here, right? Any doubts with this? chart? Right? So no doubt. So we are all good with this, right? The kriya. That's why we connect the kriya with the vibhaktis. All of these vibhaktis. All right, and then anya padarthena sambandha. So relationship with other words, which is Ramasya Patni. This is the Shashti Vibhakti now, right? So we have got all of those 6 Vibhaktis. This is the Shashti Vibhakti. So what is Shashti Vibhakti? Ramasya Patni, Sitayaha Putraha, and Phalasya Varnaha. Phalasya Varnaha, the color of the fruit, right? Did you get it? All right. This one is this indicates the presence of a specific padam. So, Ramaya Namaha, Anyapadasya Anvayaha, Ramaya Namaha, Ramayanat Param, Ramena Saha. This is a specific padam. So, this one is for Namaha. Namaha, whenever Namaha comes, fourth vibhakti, that is Chaturthi vibhakti has to come, right? Ramaya Namaha. We don't say Ramam Namaha. We say Ramaya Namaha. So remember this, every time when Namaha comes, it should be in the karma should be in Chaturthi vibhakti, the object. All right, anybody, Krishnaya Namaha. We know that, Devaya Namaha. All right, yeah. So it should be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. And the next one is Param. Whenever Param comes, it should be in Ramayanat. Which Vibhakti is this? Ramayanat.
Panchami.
Panchami Vibhakti. So whenever Param comes, we need to put that as Panchami Vibhakti. We have to enter it as Panchami. All right. And Saha, always whenever Saha comes, we have to put in Shashti Vibhakti. All right. These are some of the rules. There are many other rules as well for all the Vibhaktis which we do. But these are some of the rules stated here. Ramaya Namaha, Ramayanat Param, and Ramena Saha. So, did you get it? Did you get what I'm saying? So whenever we have to compare, it's in Panchami Vibhakti. Whenever there is a togetherness to take somewhere Saha, to go with, it's Shashti Vibhakti. And
Tritiya.
whenever
It's
we
Tritiya.
prostrate,
Ramena is Tritiya.
Tritiya Vibhakti. And whenever we prostrate, it will be Chaturthi Vibhakti. Right? Chaturthi, Panchami, and Triti. All right. Got it? All right. Next one. Okay. So this is come again to remind you of what Padam is. So one of you can read this. Anybody can read. Jagat Mahodaya, if you are free, you can read this, because usually you won't be available. Jagat Mahodaya, are you there? Vishwanath Mahodaya can read.
Vibhakti kim padam prakriti pratyaya.
Prakriti plus Pratyaya.
Prakriti plus pratyaya. Namapadam pratipadikam plus supratyaya.
Or you can say plus, or if you have to say it in Sanskrit only, you can say adhikam. Prakriti adhikam pratyaya. That would be much better.
Namapadam pratipadikam adhikam supratyaya. Namapade supratyaya ante asti iti subadha.
So what did you understand? Namapade supratyaya ante asti iti subantam.
Yes.
Means?
The supratyaya ending the word it's Subadha.
So noun, the noun plus supratyaya, namapada plus supratyaya, the ending, and because it has supratyaya, the ending, so it's subandam.
Okay.
It is subandam. Next one.
Supratyaya, vibhakti pratyaya. It's vibhakti or
Vibhakti pratyaya.
pratyaya of the vibhakti. Pratapadikam adhikam
Pratipadikam
adhikam vibhakti pratyaya namapadam. Okay.
So did you get it? Pratipadikam plus vibhakti pratyaya namapadam.
Namapadam. Like Ram adhikam Ramam. Fal adhikam asya falasya. Balika adhikam yam balikayam. Nadi adhikam nadya.
Yeah. So we all know this. This one, actually, it's the supratyaya, what it is. It's not Rama plus Ramam. It's something else here. But doing the calculations, all the calculations and everything with the supratyaya, it comes as That's why we say Ramam. This is the final product of the calculation when we go into supratyaya and do it. Yeah. So this one as well, it's the final product of the supratyaya. It's something different, but the final product will be That's why we say Rama plus is equal to Ramam.
Why isn't Ram ending with a halant?
What is a pratipadikam? It's a root, right? And Ramaha shabda that comes as Rama. Rama is the pratipadikam. That's the root. We just did that, this one. I'll show you if I can.
The fal is ending with a halant. Fal.
It's not phal. That is wrong.
Phal.
It should be phala. Phala.
But it's not phala, that is phal, isn't it?
Yeah, it should be phala. Because see here, this is what we did just now. Akaranta pullinga Rama shabdaha. Rama. That is the pratipadikam. That is the root. Once after this, when you put Rama plus Su, that is supratyaya, right? Rama plus Su, it becomes Ramaha. All right. It's Su here, but then with the calculations of, they do something and then it comes as the Visarga here, Ramaha. Then it's Rama plus Au. It's Su Au Jas, something like that. So when Au comes, Rama plus Au is equal to Ramau. Okay. And then just it comes something Rama plus something, they do the calculation, it comes as Aha. So it becomes Ramaha. Right? So that's the pratipadikam. So the phala, this is wrong. The halanta is wrong. Phala shabdaha. Right? That's the pratipadikam. Yeah. Then balika, because it's strilinga, it's balika. Nadi, same. It comes same. All right. So that's the thing. So vibhaktihi kati santi. How many vibhaktis are there? We have 7 vibhaktis, and you all know about it. Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. Okay. And here it should be Prathama vibhakti, Dvitiya vibhakti, because vibhakti is strilinga. So when vibhakti is strilinga, the preceded word should come as strilinga only. See here, Panchami, Ikaranta Shabdaha, Shashti, Saptami. That we don't have to remember now. I just said this should be Prathama. Okay. Now there are 7 vibhaktis. We know that. And the 8th, not the 8th one, but the extra one we have is Sambodhana. Right? And we all know about it. We did that. Hey Rama, Hey Rama. हे रामो, हे रामः. Sambodhana anya pratyayah na bhavati. Okay, so there's no other pratyaya for this. That's why we say only 7 times 21 pratyayas we have, 7 times 3. But we don't have a pratyaya for Sambodhana. It is a byproduct of the Prathama Vibhakti. So we have 7 Vibhaktis, and then we have a Sambodhana, as we all know about it. And then we have 3 vachanas. What are the vachanas? 3 vachanas?
एकवचनं, द्विवचनं, बहुवचनं.
And then that's why how many vibhakti pratyayaha we have?
21.
21.
एकविंशति वा?
7 vibhaktis and 3 vachanas. So 21 pratyayas we have. And Sambodhana, we don't have any pratyayas for Sambodhana. It is a byproduct of the Prathama Vibhakti. That's why we call it as Sambodhana Prathama. Usually we can call it as Sambodhana or Sambodhana Prathama. We call anyhow. Okay, so Prati Pratipadikaya, how much is this?
द्वाविंशतिः, एकविंशतिः विभक्तिः,
एकविंशतिः
प्रत्ययाः सन्ति.
Yeah, it's the same thing. Whatever it's written here, it's the same thing. All right. Okay. Right. So now we'll learn about Sambodhana Prathama. This is not difficult. This is very easy. Easy Vibhakti. Easy Sambodhana one. So also referred to as Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti. So we can call it as Sambodhana. It is a subset of Prathama Vibhakti and not a separate Vibhakti. And it's used to address somebody. Like when we call Rama, we call Rama, hey Rama, right? You all know about it. We did that Shabda Manjari thing. Optionally can be preceded by Bhoho, He, Re, Aho. Okay, so we can say Boho. We can just say Boho, and that is like calling someone. Hey, we have done that. Hey Rama. Re, we can call it Re as well, or Aho. Right? These are all Sambodhana. All right? Got it? Okay. Does somebody want to read? Uma Mohdey, do you want to read? Next.
संबोधन एकवचने रामः राम भो राम हे राम सीता सीते हे सीते सरस्वती सरस्वती हे सरस्वती फलम फलम फल हे फल द्विवचन
फल हे फल
फल हे फल द्विवचने बहुवचने च same as dvivachan and bahuvachan forms of prathama vibhakti.
Okay, so this is only the ekavachana. What we say for Ramaha, we call Rama or Bho Rama or He Rama. For Sita, Site, we call Site, He Site. This is I think we have seen this in Ramayana where Rama calls Site, right? And Saraswati, Ikaranta Strilinga, for that we put Alpa Prana I, Saraswati. That's the reason I always say with Saraswati Namastubhyam, we don't say Saraswati Namastubhyam. We call Saraswati, right? So, hey Saraswati Namastubhyam, right? So that's why we need to say Saraswati. That's Sambodhana. We are saying Sambodhana. We are not saying the Prathama Vibhakti of that name in the shloka. We do a Sambodhana. We call her. So Saraswati. Saraswati Namastubhyam. And Phalam, Phala, He Phala. It's almost same as Pullinga Shabda. Okay, and Dvivachana and Bahuvachana are the same as Prathama Vibhakti. So I think we do Abhyasa now. All right. So, Chitra Mohoday, first one.
ये क्या करना है?
You have to put it in Sambodhana. There's a
राम
Shabda
माम
Rama.
उद्धर.
Mam
हे
Uddhar.
राम, हे राम माम उद्धर.
Hey Rama, Mam Uddhara. Even we can say Rama, Mam Uddhara. Rama means even that is also Sambodhana. Hey Rama, Mam Uddhara. Or Bho Rama, Mam Uddhara. All are same. All are Sambodhana. Bho Rama, Mam Uddhara. Or Hey Rama, Mam Uddhara. Okay. Jagat Mohodaya. Jagat Mohodaya, are you here? Okay, Sangeeta Mohoday.
हे महोदय, हे महोदय, अत्र
Hmm.
आगच्छतु.
Samyak. Mahodayah is noun, right? Pullinga, right? So, He Mahodaya. That's right. He Mahodaya atra agacchatu. Or Mahodaya atra agacchatu. Or Bho Mahodaya, whatever you can call. Okay, Vishwanath Mohoday.
जनक जनक अहम अद्य विद्यालयं न गच्छामि.
Janaka, He Janaka, aham adya vidyalayam na gacchami. All right. If I don't know whether it's there next, but if it was Mahodaya, what would you put?
महोदये.
महोदये.
Mahodaye. That's why when we call Mahodaye because we are doing Sambodhana here. All right. Uma Mahodaye. It's here now.
महोदये गृहकार्यम् अस्ति वा?
Mahodaye grihakaryam asti va. Okay, Chitra Mahodaye.
अम्ब, हे अम्ब भोजनं ददतु.
He amba bhojanam dadatu. Amba, you can say amba. Amba. So amba, ambe. Bhojanam dadatu. For amba, we can say amba, we can say amba or ambe. All right? Like Mahodaye, ambe, but we can say amba as well for amba. Right? Next one. Sangeeta Mohoday.
पुत्री उत्तिष्ठतु.
Tishtatu.
नदी सर्व ना. हे पुत्री, रस्व पुत्री. हे पुत्री उत्तिष्ठतु.
We can say putri uttishtatu. He putri uttishtatu. Vishwanath Mohoday. Next one.
मित्रं श्वः मम गृहम् आगच्छतु. हे मित्र श्वः
मम गृहम्
आगच्छतु.
agacchatu. Mitra. Because this is Napumsakalinga. So, Mitra. So, you got an idea, right? How it is? So, Rama, and then all Pullinga will doesn't have the Visarga there. And then Strilinga will become A. And then the E Karanta will become the Risva E. And the, in Napumsakalinga, will become Mitra. All right. Now we are going into Tumun Pratyaya. So we learned what all Pratyayas did we learn? Anybody remember?
तवतु प्रत्यय, त प्रत्यय, त्वा प्रत्यय, त्वा.
Twa Pratyaya and which one? We learned 3, right?
मानवती.
Tavatu, Twa,
लेप.
Lyap Pratyaya. Yeah, three Pratyayas we learned. We didn't learn the Pratyaya yet. So, Tavatu was Do you remember anybody? Tavatu was?
Vanvati.
गतवान् गतवती
So
पठितवान्
what was
पठितवती
that about? What was that about?
भूतकाले भूतकालार्थं भूतकृदन्तम् अस्ति
Hmm. That's right. So Tavatu was Bhuta Kridanta. And then Twa was?
एक काम करके
Yes.
दूसरे काम करना
Hmm. Yeah. So there would be two verbs in it, two kriyapadas. So from one to another. And then lyap pratyaya. What was lyap?
लेप् इत्युक्ते
Upasarga.
उपसर्गं धातु
Hmm.
धातु सह उपसर्गः अस्ति चेत् तदा त्वा प्रत्यय जगह स्थाने ल्यप् प्रत्यय उपयोगं कुर्मः
That's right. Right? So if it was like gachati gatva, right? Anugachati anugamya. We can say that, right? So that was it. Now we are doing tumun pratyaya. Tumun pratyaya is, Chitramude, you can read this.
तुमुन् to do in order to do something बालकः क्रीडितुम् इच्छति the boy wants likes to
The
play
boy.
छात्रा पठितुं विद्यालयं गच्छति the girl student goes to school to read or study अहं गन्तुं न शक्नोमि I am unable to sing अहं गातुं न शक्नोमि I am unable to sing भवन्तः संस्कृते वक्तुं जानन्ति खलु you all know how to speak in Sanskritam, right?
Yeah. So what did you understand with tumun pratyaya?
के लिए
क्रीडितुम् इच्छति. बालकः क्रीडितुम् इच्छति.
बालकः क्रीडितुम् इच्छति इत्युक्ते
What does it mean?
बालक खेलने के लिए इच्छा करता है
So what is it in Hindi? के लिए.
के लिए
Right? के लिए. Right? Here in English, it's to do. So बालकः क्रीडितुम् इच्छति. अहं पठितुम् इच्छामि. I like to read, to play, to study, to do something. So whenever we have to put something to do something, then we put the tumun pratyaya. All right. Okay. So chhatra patitum vidyalayam gacchati. The girl student goes to school to read. Aham gatum na shaknomi. I am unable to sing. Bhavantah samskrute vaktum jananti. Hello. Question mark. You all know how to speak in Sanskritam, right? All right. Vaktum. Vaktum. That should be, that is like vadati. Vaktum. Gatum. Patitum. Kriditum. So that's for tumun pratyaya. The one best thing is, like, when you see this, you will know which pratyaya it is. Like twa, lyap, tum, all these one, we can see the last letters and know which pratyaya it is at least. All right. So these are the pratyaya used with the dhatu. All right. Okay. Sangeeta Moday, can you please read this?
तुमन् प्रत्ययान्तरूपाणि वर्तमानकालः आणि तुमन् रूपम् पठति पठितुं क्रीडति क्रीडितुं लिखति लेखितुं गायति गातुं वदति वक्तुं चलति चलितुं गच्छति गन्तुं शृणोति श्रोतुं पश्यति द्रष्टुं धावति धावितुं शक्नोति शक्तुं पाठयति पाठयितुं
Pathaitum. All right. So these are the one. If there is a twa pratyaya, what would happen?
पठति पठित्वा
Patati patitva. Kridati
क्रीडित्वा
Likhati. Anybody else can say as well. Likhati.
लिखित्वा
Likhitva. Gayati.
गीत्वा
Geetva. Yes. Vadati.
उक्त्वा
Uktva. Chalati.
चलित्वा
Chalitva. Gachati.
Gatva.
Gatva. Shrunoti.
Shrutva.
Shrutva. Pashyati.
Drishtva.
Drishtva. Dhavati.
Dhavitva.
Dhavitva. Shaknoti.
Shaknoti.
Shaknutva.
What's that, Uma Mode?
Is it Shaknutva?
Shaknutva. No, it will be Shaktva, I think. Shaktva. Pathayati.
पठित्वा
पाठयित्वा
Patayitva.
Pathayitva.
पठ-
Right, so that's Tumun Pratyaya, and we did the Tva Pratyaya for that. All right. Okay, now this is the special ones, which sometimes make us a bit confusing. So Vishwanath Mohdaya, you can say this.
Dadati, datum, pibati, patum, roti, kartum, nityati, nartitum,
Hmm.
janati, nyatum,
Hmm.
marati, smartum.
Smartam. All right, what about the Tva Pratyaya here? Dadati,
Dati, datva,
Pibati,
patva,
no,
pitva,
Pibati. Anybody?
पीत्वा
Pitva. Pibati, Pitva. Karoti,
kartva,
Krutva. Krutva. Karoti, Krutva. Nrityati,
nritva,
Nritva or Nartitva. Nritva
Nartitva.
maybe. Nartitva. Nartitva, probably. Nartitva. Janati,
nyatva,
Jnatva. Smarati,
smritva.
Smritva. Yes. All right, that's good. At least we know. Okay, Uma Modaye. Gayakaha Ganam Ichchati.
गायक
Tumun
सह
Pratyaya.
गीतुम् इच्छति गायकः
Geetva will be the Tva Pratyaya, but with Tumun
गीतुम्
Pratyaya, what is that?
गीतुम्
No, Tumun Pratyaya will be the same as what it is here. Ga.
गातुम्
Gatum. Gatum Ichchati. Gayakaha Gatum Ichchati. Chitra Modaye.
सा नर्तनं शक्नोति सा नर्तितुं शक्नोति
Nartum Shaknoti. Nartitum Shaknoti. This is the Nartitva. Nartitum. Nartitum Shaknoti. Okay. Sangeeta Modaye.
क्रीडकः धावनम् इच्छति क्रीडकः धावितुम् इच्छति
Dhavitum Ichchati. Okay. Vishwanath Mohdaya.
Sa samacharam drashtum durdarshanam pashyati.
Drashtum Durdarshanam Pashyati. Good. Uma Mohdaya.
सा सायंकाले उद्याने चलितुम् इच्छति
Chalitum.
चलितुम् इच्छति
Chalitum Ichchati. Chitra Mohdaya.
शिक्षकः संस्कृतं पाठनं विद्यालयं गच्छति शिक्षकः संस्कृतं पाठयितुं विद्यालयं गच्छति
Sangeeta Mohdaya.
भक्ताः भगवद्गीतां श्रवणम् इच्छति भक्ताः भगवद्गीतां श्रोतुम् इच्छति
Shrotum Ichchanti.
श्रोतुम् इच्छन्ति
Shrotum ichanti. Right. Vishwanath Mehta.
धनिकः भिक्षुकाय धनं दातुम् इच्छति.
Datum ichati. Uma Mohoday.
अर्चकः अर्चितुं प्रातःकाले उत्तिष्ठति.
Architum. Archayitum. Archayitum. Pratakale uttishtati. Archayitum. Okay, Chitra Mohoday.
शिशुः दुग्धं पातुम् इच्छति.
Patum ichati. Okay, next Sangeeta Mohoday. Last one.
बालिका अभ्यासं लेखनीम् आनयति. बालिका अभ्यासं लेखितुं बालिका अभ्यासं लेखनीम् आनयति.
Okay. We get confused with this lekhana or usually because in Hindi lik, so we just go into likhitum. Yeah, we usually get confused. Vishwanath Mohoday.
वयं संस्कृते सम्भाषणं कर्तुं शक्नुमः.
Kartum shaknumaha. Yes, that's right. All right. So we got the idea of the tumun pratyaya, what it is. Yeah. So do you want to say the meanings of this, or are you okay with all these meanings? Gayakah gatum ichchati means anybody?
The singer wishes to sing.
Singer wishes to sing. Sa nartitum shaknoti. She
वह डांस कर सकती है.
nartitum shaknoti. This one, क्रीडकः धावितुम् इच्छति.
Wishes to run.
Likes to run. सः समाचारं द्रष्टुं दूरदर्शनं पश्यति.
He watches television to see the news.
Next one.
शिक्षकः संस्कृतपाठविद्यालय
सायंकाले उद्याने चलितुं.
वह इवनिंग में सायंकाल में उद्यान में चलने के लिए इच्छा करती है.
It's easy to translate in Hindi. It almost the same words. Okay. शिक्षकः संस्कृतं पाठयितुं विद्यालयं गच्छति.
Student goes to school to learn Sanskrit.
शिक्षकः पाठयितुं.
Teacher goes to school to teach Sanskrit.
Teach. पाठयितुं teach. शिक्षकः is teacher. Next one.
भक्ताः भगवद्गीतां श्रोतुम् इच्छन्ति. Devotees wish to hear Bhagavad Gita.
Who? Bhaktaha, devotees. Yeah, bahuvachana. Icchanti. All right. Dhanikah bhikshukaya dhanam datum ichchati.
अमीर आदमी भिक्षुक के लिए धन देना चाहता है.
Next one. Archakah archayitum pratah kale uttishthati.
पंडित जो होता है वो पूजा करने के लिए सुबह उठता है. सुबह ही उठता है.
प्रातः काले. शिशुः दुग्धं पातुम् इच्छति.
Child wishes to drink milk.
Next one.
बालिका अभ्यासं लेखनीम् आनयति. The girl to write brings the pencil to write.
Lekhaneem. Lekhanim is pen.
Pen, sorry, pen.
Pen. Ankani is pencil. Okay. Vayam Samskrite Sambhashanam Kartum Shaknumaha.
We are able to speak in Sanskrit.
Sambhashanam. Conversation. All right. So I know these are easy ones, but it's just to make sure we all know about this. Okay. So, okay, I think we are going into the memorization now. So we did this at the start of the class. Vishwanath Mohdaya, you were not here. So can you please say this table?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Rama.
You can say this table with your name only. Vishwanatha.
Vishwanatha, Vishwanatau, Vishwanataha. He Vishwanath, He Vishwanatau, He Vishwanataha. Vishwanatham, Vishwanatau, Vishwanathan. Vishwanatena, Vishwanatabhyam, Vishwanataihi, Vishwanataya, Vishwanatabhyam, Vishwanatebhaya, Vishwanath, Natat, Vishwanatabhyam, Vishwanatebhaya, Vishwanatasya, Tasya, Vishwanatayoho, Vishwanatanam, Vishwanate, Vishwanatayoho, Vishwanateshu.
So here it will be ena for you. Vishwanatena, Vishwanatanam. Because the natvam won't be there. So we are going to say that. All right, we'll see whether we have. Okay. Next one is Akaranta Strilinga. All right. Others have done it, right? Only Vishwanath Mohdaya wasn't there. Okay. Can you please say this? Akaranta Strilinga Sita Shabdaha.
Okay. Sita, Site, Sitaha. He Site, He Site, He Sitaha. Sitam, Site, Sitaha. Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sitabhihi. Sitayi, Sitabhyam, Sitabhayah. Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sitabhyah. Sitayaha, Sitayoho. Sitanam.
Sitayoho.
Sitanam. Sitayam, Sitayoho, Sitasu.
Most of the female names will end with A. If you can see, most of the female names will end with A. Only some of them will end with U and E. Otherwise, it will end with A itself. All right. So anybody wants to say this? I think we have said this already. So I think we'll go Nadi. We'll do this one. Ikaranta Strilinga Nadi Shabdaha. Sangeeta Mohdaya, do you want to say this? No? You are on mute.
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः प्रथमा नदीं नद्यौ नदीः द्वितीया नद्या नदीभ्यां नदीभिः तृतीया नद्यै नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः चतुर्थी नद्याः नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः पञ्चमी नद्याः नद्योः नदीनां षष्ठी नद्यां नद्योः नदीषु सप्तमी हे नदी हे नद्यौ हे नद्यः संबोधनम्.
Samyak. Uma Mohdaya, can you say some other one? Maybe Gauri? Gauri Shabda.
प्रथमा गौरी गौर्यो गौर्यः संबोधन हे गौरी हे गौर्यो हे गौर्यः द्वितीया गौरीं गौर्यो गौरीः तृतीया गौर्याः.
Sorry. I'll go back. I just clicked and it went.
गौर्याः गौरीभ्यां गौरीभिः चतुर्थी गौर्ये गौर्ये
Gauryai.
गौर्यै गौर्यै गौरीभ्यां गौरीभ्यः पंचमी गौर्याः गौरीभ्यां गौरीभ्यः षष्ठी गौर्याः गौर्योः गौरीणां सप्तमी गौर्यां गौर्योः गौरीषु
Chitra Mohoday. Maybe Bhagini.
भगिनी
Bhagini.
भगिन्यौ भगिन्यः हे भगिनी हे भगिन्यौ हे भगिनी
Hey Bhaginyah.
हे भगिन्यः हे भगिनीं हे भगिन्यौ नहीं भगिनीं भगिन्यौ भगिनीः भगिन्या भगिनीभ्यां भगिनीभिः भगिन्यै भगिनीभ्यां भगिनीभ्यः भगिन्याः भगिनीभ्यां भगिनीभ्यः भगिन्याः भगिन्योः भगिनीनां भगिन्यां भगिन्योः भगिनीषु
Vishwanath Mohodaya. Sakhi. Sakhi. Shabda.
Sakhi, Sakhyo, Sakyah, He Sakhi, Sakhyo, He Sakhyo, He Sakyah, He Sakim, He Sakhyo.
No, not Hey. There's no Hey.
Sorry.
Sakim.
Sakim, Sakhyo, Sakhi,
Sakihi.
Sakyam, Sakibhi, Sakyai, Sakibhyam, Sakibhaya, Sakyaha, Sakibhyam, Sakibhaya, Sakyaha, Sakyoho, Sakinam, Sakyam, Sakyoho, Sakishu.
Okay. While saying these ikaranta, remember it's ikaranta. So when you say this, nadim, nadyau, nadihi, nadya, nadibhyam, nadibhi, nadyai, nadibhyam, nadibhyah, nadyaha, nadibhyam, nadibhyah, nadyaha, nadyoho, nadinam, nadyam, nadyoho, nadishu. Right? If we say it with dirgha, it's better, because if we memorize it with risva e and then you write the same thing, in the exam and all will be wrong. So it's better whenever we say ikaranta or any dirgha swaras, we have to go nadibhyam, nadibhi. We should give a space there as well. Nadibihi. Nadibihi, if we say it will be wrong. So nadibihi. All right. Okay. We all said this. Okay. Akaranta napumsakalinga phala shabdaha. This is easy. Sangeeta Mohoday.
अकारांत नपुंसकलिंग फल शब्दः फलं फले फलानि प्रथमा फलं फले फलानि द्वितीया फलेन फलाभ्यां फलैः तृतीया फलाय फलाभ्यां फलेभ्यः चतुर्थी फलात् फलाभ्यां फलेभ्यः पञ्चमी फलस्य फलयोः फलानां षष्ठी फले फलयोः फलेषु सप्तमी हे फल हे फले हे फलानि संबोधनम्.
Samyak. We can say Sambodhanam at the last, because otherwise, yeah, we'll get confused sometimes. We start saying He Phalam for Dvitiya as well. So we can say Sambodhana at the last. Okay, Vishwanath Mohodaya. Phalam. Maybe Pustakam.
Pustakam, Pustake, Pustakani, Pustakam, Pustake, Pustakani, Pustakena, Pustakabhyam, Pustake, Kai, Pustakaya, Pustakabhyam, Pustakebhaya, Bhayaha, Pustakat,
Pustakebhyaha. Bhyaha.
Bhaya, Bhya, Pustakat, Pustakabhyam, Pustakebhya, Pustakasya, Pustakayoho, Pustakanam, Pustake, Pustakayoho, Pustakeshu, He Pustak, He Pustake,
He Pustaka. Kala. He Pustaka.
He Pustake, He Pustakani.
He Pustaka. He Pustake. He Pustakani. Okay. Uma Mohoday. Do you remember any Napumsakalinga word? Maybe
Arnam.
Dhyanam?
Parnam.
Yeah.
Uh,
Dhyanam. Dhyanam.
Dhyanam. Dhyanam, Dhyane, Dhyanani.
Not Jhanam. Jnanam. Jnanam.
Jnanam, Jnanam. Jnanam, Jnane, Jnanani. Jnanam, Jnane, Jnanani. Tritiya, Jnanena. ज्ञानाभ्याम ज्ञानैः चतुर्थी ज्ञानाय ज्ञानाभ्याम ज्ञानेभ्यः पंचमी ज्ञानात् ज्ञानाभ्याम ज्ञानेभ्यः षष्ठी ज्ञानस्य ज्ञानयोः ज्ञानानां सप्तमी ज्ञाने ज्ञानयोः ज्ञानेषु संबोधनं हे ध्यान हे ज्ञान हे ज्ञाने हे ज्ञानानि.
Samyak. Chitra Mohoday. Next one. You can choose Napumsakalinga. Pushpam. Pushpam, yeah. Or
Patram mukham jalam.
yeah, anything. Chitra Mohoday. Is she saying something? I can't hear. I can't hear Mohoday. You can say Pushpam. Can't hear, isn't it? Now you have muted.
पुष्पं पुष्पे पुष्पाणि श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते.
पुष्पं पुष्पे पुष्पाणि हे पुष्प हे पुष्पे हे पुष्पाणि पुष्पं पुष्पे पुष्पाणि पुष्पेण पुष्पाभ्यां पुष्पैः पुष्पाय पुष्पाभ्यां पुष्पेभ्यः पुष्पात् पुष्पाभ्यां पुष्पेभ्यः पुष्पस्य पुष्पयोः पुष्पाणां पुष्पे पुष्पयोः पुष्पेषु.
Samyak. Then Sambodhana, did you say? Hey Pushpa?
हे पुष्प हे पुष्पे हे पुष्पाणि.
Right? So we know all these now. Akaranta Pullinga, Akaranta Napumsakalinga, Akaranta Strilinga, and what did we do? Ikaranta Strilinga. We did that much. Okay. Oh, it's over. Okay. Any questions about this? Or Tumun Pratyaya or Sambodhana? Sambodhana, we know. Today's was a bit easier. Sambodhana, it was easy. And Tumun Pratyaya, yeah. Anything else? Do you want to do any other Shabdas? Or we'll try to do this without looking. Can we do this without looking? Anybody can say Rama Shabda? The first one. Sangeeta Mode, do you want to do it? You were saying something.
Can I say Ram?
Yeah,
Ramaha
try it.
Ramo Ram. Okay. Can I start?
Yeah, you can start.
Ramaha Ramo Ramaha Pratama Ramam Ramo Raman Ditya Ramena Ramabhyam Ramena
Ram.
Ramabhyam Ramaihi Tritiya Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhya Chaturthi Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhya Panchami Ramasya Ramayoho Ramanam Shashti Ramasya
Saptami.
Rame Ramayoho Rameshu Saptami He Rama He Rama He Ramo He Ramaha Sambodhanam.
Good, very good. Uttamam. Anybody? Vishwanath Mohodaya, Uma Mohodaya, Chitra Mohodaya?
Yeah, but Ram?
Rama Shabda. It's okay. Or any Shabda. It's okay.
Yeah.
But Akaranta Pullinga. Shabda.
Ramah, Ramo, Ramaah, Ramam, Ramo, Ramaah, Rame,
Ram. Ramam, Ramo.
Raman,
Yeah.
Ram, Rame, Ramabhyam, Ramahi, Ram, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhya, Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramebhya, Ramasya, Ramayoho, Ramanam, Ram, Rame, Ramayoho, Rameshu, He Ram, Ramo, He Ramo, He Ramaha.
He Rama, not He Ram, He Rama. He Rama, He Ramo, He Rama. Samyak. Uma Mohoday, you can say Krishna
Not this week, ma'am. I
or
guess
Shiva or some other
next week maybe.
God's name too.
I get stuck in between, ma'am. Next week maybe.
Okay, yeah, that's okay. No problem. Chitra Mohoday, it's just to, it's nice if we memorize, that's why.
कृष्णः कृष्णौ कृष्णाः कृष्णं कृष्णौ कृष्णान् कृष्णेन कृष्णाभ्यां कृष्णैः कृष्णाय कृष्णाभ्यां कृष्णेभ्यः कृष्णात् कृष्णाभ्यां कृष्णेभ्यः पञ्चमी कृष्णस्य कृष्णयोः कृष्णानां षष्ठी कृष्णे कृष्णयोः कृष्णेषु सप्तमी हे कृष्ण हे कृष्णौ हे कृष्णाः संबोधन प्रथमा.
Samyak. Very good. So we all know about Rama Shabda. So usually when we give examples, we give about Rama Shabda itself. So if we know that, it's easier for us to understand things in future as well. But better to learn other Shabdas as well. Anybody knows Akaranta Strilinga Shabda? Anybody? I don't expect you to say, but if you say it without saying, without seeing, it's better.
सीता सीते सीताः सीतां सीते सीताः
I'll take
सीतया
this out, otherwise it will be.
सीतया सीतया सीताभ्यां सीताभिः तृतीया सीतायै सीताभ्यां सीताभ्यः पञ्चमी नहीं चतुर्थी
Okay, yeah.
सीता चतुर्थी सीतायाः सीतायाः सीताभ्यां सीताभ्यः पञ्चमी
Right.
सीतायाः सीतयोः सीतानां षष्ठी सीते सीतयोः सीतासु सप्तमी हे सीते हे क्या हो गया
He Site, He Site, He Sitaha.
हे सीते
So
हे
in Sambodhana, Prathama and Vitya will be Site.
हे सीते हे सीते
He
हे
Sita.
सीताः.
Yeah. Okay, very good. Anybody? Sangeeta Mohde, Vishwanath Mohde? You can try it out slowly. Or Napumsakalinga. We can say Napumsakalinga. Phalam. Shabda. That should be easy.
Phalam, Phale, Phalani, Phalam, Phale, Phalani, Phalena, Phalabhyam, Phalehi, Phalaya, Phalabhyam, Phalebhya, Phalat, Phalabhyam, Phalebhya, Phalasya, Phalayoho, Phalanam, Phale, Phalayoho, Phaleshu, Phala, Phale, Phalani.
He Phala, He Phale, He Phalani. Good. Nice. Sangeeta Mohde, do you want to try? Phala Shabda is same as Rama Shabda. It's only the Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti a bit change. From Tritiya, it's the same thing. Want to try?
द्वारं द्वारे द्वाराणि
Hmm.
द्वारं द्वारे द्वाराणि द्वारेण द्वारेण द्वाराभ्यां रामेण
Yeah. Think about Rama Shabda and do it. Yeah.
रामेण द्वारेण द्वाराभ्यां द्वारै तृतीया
द्वारैः
द्वारैः तृतीया
रामैः द्वारैः
द्वाराभ्यां द्वाराभिः
चतुर्थी
द्वाराय द्वाराभ्यां द्वारेभिः चतुर्थी
द्वारेभ्यः
द्वाराभ्यां द्वारेभ्यः पञ्चमी द्वारस्य द्वारयोः द्वाराणां षष्ठी द्वारे द्वारयोः द्वारेषु सप्तमी हे द्वारौ हे
रामो
द्वारे हे द्वाराणि सम्बोधनम्
Yeah, hey, yeah, that's right. Chitra Mohoday, you want to try something, some other hard word?
भवती एव वदतु महोदय किं शब्दः
Napumsakalinga, right? Yajanam?
व्यजनं वजने व्यजनानि व्यजनं वजने व्यजनानि व्यजनेन व्यजनाभ्यां व्यजनैः व्यजनाय व्यजनाभ्यां व्यजनेभ्यः व्यजनाय व्यजनात् व्यजनाभ्यां व्यजनेभ्यः पञ्चमी व्यजनस्य व्यजनयोः व्यजनानां षष्ठी व्यजने व्यजनयोः व्यजनेषु सप्तमी हे व्यजन हे व्यजने हे व्यजनानि
Summit. Very good. So Akaranta Pullinga and Akaranta Napumsakalinga we have done. Next class we'll try not looking at Akaranta Strilinga. Okay, and then we have Nadi Shabda as well. And then we have Ikaranta Pullinga. Over, then we have Ikaranta Pullinga. Hari Shabda. Hari, Harayaha. That we have to do actually. We'll do that next class. There's that. All right. And anything else? Any doubts about anything? I think we finished the class early today. Anything else? Or we can stop. Uma Mohoday, do you want to say something?
No, nothing.
Okay. So can we say the prayers? Mangala Shloka? Uma Mohoday, you can only say it.
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम् ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम् तत्सत्
All right. No, I should stop the recording actually.